Welcome to my messy, punky, indie sleazy makeup tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how I do a two-step punk rock eye look. So, for step one is you grab your eyeliner and you map out your shape. If you can look at my demonstration, do you see my inner fold of my eye? I completely went horizontal on it. Some wing liner only goes out straight out. I notice if I go horizontal then down, it gives me a dramatic effect. So if I can help you with that tip, that's the tip that I give you, is draw your eyeliner out and then do a horizontal straight line. Glitter gel, because how else does glitter stick, right? So here am I pressing it on messily because that's the vibe we're going for. And with glitter, it doesn't matter if you're perfect with it. It's gonna shine regardless, right? It's like the human soul. You can put so much makeup and so much clothes on it and try to cover it up, but it's still gonna shine, right? No matter what. But okay. I'm definitely listening to Avril Lavigne. I think I was listening to Heart of a Heartbreak. Oh no, All I Wanted. I think I was listening to All I Wanted while recording this. If you want to see this video with music on it, it's the video posted after this one. If you haven't tried getting ready while listening to Avril Lavigne, you truly have not lived your emo girl punk life. You have to do it. I feel like sometimes with makeup, especially new age makeup, we like to be super pretty and we're trying to channel divine feminine energy as if there's only one way to channel it, but it's more exciting and more fun to channel the dark feminine, right? And that is messy, and it's fast, and it's dirty, and it's all about cigarettes. Even if you don't smoke cigarettes, it's the vibe of cigarettes. With this outfit and makeup, do I give off the vibe of smoking cigarettes? I hope so. But I hope you got some tips from this video. Peace out from me.